Right now, millions of Americans are working hard every single day, but somehow they're still broke. No savings, no investments, just bills after bills after bills. In this video, I'll show you the real reasons why people stay broke and how you can escape this cycle starting today. The first reason is lifestyle inflation. Every time people earn more money, they also increase their spending. New phone, better car, expensive lifestyle. Instead of growing wealth, they grow expenses. The second reason is lack of financial education. Schools teach math, but they don't teach how money works. Most people don't understand investing, saving, building assets, and that keeps them stuck. The third reason is credit cards. Easy money feels good in the beginning, but it becomes a trap. High interest rates, minimum payments, and suddenly you're stuck in debt. The fourth reason is simple. Most people don't invest. They keep money in the bank or spend it completely. But rich people, they invest their money and let it grow over time. So how do you fix this? It's simple. Spend less than you earn. Avoid unnecessary debt. Start investing early. Focus on long-term growth. Small changes, big results. If you want to escape the broke cycle, you need to start today, because the longer you wait, the harder it becomes. Subscribe for more simple money tips and take control of your financial future.